Minna no Nihongo, Lesson 16, Part 4, Vocabulary 1. Service, Sabisu. Kono mise wa tabemono mo oishii shi, sabisu mo ii desu. This shop has not only has tasty food, but their service is great too. Second, jogging, joggingu. Mayasa joggingu o shimasu. I go jogging every morning. Third, shower. Shower.毎晩 kaite kara shower o abimasu. Every evening I take a shower after returning home. Fourth, green, greenery. Midori. Kyoto wa midori ga oi desu. Kyoto has a lot of greenery. Fifth, Buddhist temple. Otera. この町にとても古いお寺があります。There is a very old temple in this town. 6. Shinto shrine 神社。京都には有名な神社がたくさんあります。Kyoto has a lot of famous shrines. Grammar point 6. どれ、どの、noun. Dore is an interrogative used when asking someone to specify one item out of a list of 3 or more. Example, Mira-san no kasa wa dore desu ka? Which is Mr. Myler's umbrella. Aoi kasa desu. It's that blue one. Dore cannot modify a noun directly. When modifying a noun, dono is used. Santosu-san wa dono hito desu ka? Which is one Mr. Santos. Sei ga takakute kami ga kuroi hito desu. That tall, black-haired man.